Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is day 1 of Vlogmas. So today I decided to try to do a frontal pony or bun. This is my first time trying this, so I decided to get a cheap frontal from the beauty supply store because I didn't want to mess an expensive one up. So here I am plucking the frontal. I already bleached the knots and everything. And now I'm about to get started. I blow dry, straighten my hair as good as possible. I can never get my hair as straight as an actual stylist could get it, but whatever. I straighten it as good as possible. Right now I am spraying some holding spray on the back of my hair, and then I am drying it on cool air just to get it to stay up. And then I'm going to go back on those baby hairs, I guess that's what you call them, in the back area. So yeah, now I'm just drying this part in the back just to get it nice and sleek as good as I can. And now I'm going to do like a top ponytail. Try to get it as tight as I can. And then I'm taking some Gots to Be gel and just putting it on my edges so that my edges can be in place. And I'm drying that on cool air. I would have put a stocking cap on. I just didn't feel like doing all that. So yeah, I put the Gots to Be glue gel on just to keep my edges in place. And now I'm just putting that glue on up on there. I'm not doing a lot of layers because I know I'm not keeping this hairstyle in for too long. This is just something I wanted to try to see if I could do it. And this is I think this was a 10-inch frontal or a 12-inch frontal. It was one of those. Because I didn't want to, like I said, I didn't want to get nothing expensive or too long because this was my first time doing this type of hairstyle, and I didn't know if, it would turn out right or not, knowing it was my first time. So now I'm just pressing the hairline down with the comb, just melting it more into the skin, just to give it more of a natural effect. Combing around the ears so that when I pull it up, it won't be lifting all up. And then too, the little piece that comes inside the frontal and the back, I would recommend to cut that part off. That's something I forgot to do, and you probably can't tell in the video, but it was a little lumpy towards the end. You could see it, but I would recommend to cut that part off. Usually they have that for when you like sewing it on, like a frontal sew-in or something like that, but I would recommend to cut that. So now I'm tying it down with this melting band, and I'm about to get ready to comb all of it up. And I am going to go over it with my some edge wax, and then I am going to go over it with the straightening comb just to give it a smoother and flatter look. I'm putting a little bit more glue right there because that part was up. I sprayed a little bit more holding spray on it just to keep the flyaways down. And I'm just going to keep reminding y'all, this is my first time doing this. Yes, I know my hair was brown, but that's okay because you ain't going to see it no more. That is okay. But I'm about to color my hair back to its natural color anyways. Just because, see, that's what I meant right there. That piece, you want to cut that off because it will show. So now I'm taking the razor and just razoring the baby hairs. I would recommend to use like an eyebrow razor or a razor in general, because if you use scissors, sometimes it don't, it cuts it like, what I'm trying to say, like super, even, I think, like blunt. So I'd rather use a razor because the ends look super, super natural. That way when you get ready to comb them down, they comb in place and stay. So now I'm taking these little tiny flat irons and just combing the hairs so that when I get ready to swoop them, it lays in the direction I want it to go in. And I got those from my local beauty supply store. Or any beauty supply store you could find those at, I'm sure. So now I'm taking my edge brush, just seeing how it's going to flow before I put the mousse on. Seeing if I need to cut the baby hairs lower. They are a little long. So we going to chop them things some more. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. If you guys hear noise in the background, sorry. It's my kids. So now I'm just recurling them after I cut them. I'm not going to talk throughout the whole video. I'm going to let y'all kind of watch as I go. So here's the completed look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and hit that bell for future notifications. Thanks for watching. Bye.